Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Happy week. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free traffic for Clickbank products. Plus, I'm going to also share one paid method advertisement that you can utilize if you pick the right product or whatever situation you want to do. All right, let's get this video started with your friend, always Adrian. All right, guys, let's go. Now, this platform we call is Clickbank. And what you want to do, you can either type a product that you want in the search bar right here, or you can go down to this list right here, show you. And for example, if you want, if you in e-business and e-marketing, affiliate marketing, stuff like that, you can find different people right here, and you can search by the sales, the average sales, the average rebuild total, and average rebuild and gravity. Most times I click on gravity because what gravity basically means, guys, is how many sales they made in the last 12 weeks. So this right here, the gravity is 146. So in the last 12 weeks, they made 146 sales. That's what gravity means. And then all you have to do is first you want to click on this right here and see the affiliate page part of it. Okay, YouTube secrets right here. And you can see that, what they're going to give you and, what you can make from it like that. Just read that. And then scroll down and then you see the banners they have right there. Just copy this code right here, from right here. Not the whole thing, guys. A lot of people get that confused. You just copy this right here from right here, HTTP, all the way to the JPG right there. That's it. And then you have that banner right there. So they offer banners. Okay, let's get back to show you up this page. Okay. So this is Clickbank right here, guys. So you'll pick your product, whatever, and just click on the marketplace right there to go back to the screen. They have a lot of different things that you can see, guys. Some people in green products. Some people love games. Some people love education. So you'll just pick whatever product you want to promote, right? From the Clickbank market. So let's say go back on e-business right there. And then when you want to promote it, guys, just click on this promote button right here. Now I'm part of this. I'm selling this right here because the average sale is $476. So if I market hard like that and I show people value on a lot of things, 3 people, that's $1,200. So I'm promoting this right now, but if I want to promote it hypothetically, what you do is generate hot link right here. Okay, so doing right now. And then you just want to copy this hot link right here. And then say, just want to copy it. Then when you paste it right here, guys, it's basically a webinar. It's more educational stuff, how to make money and stuff like that webinar. And then if you choose to go with them like that, you'll make a lot of money, right? That's the goal. It's all free. I'm not making money until someone, what I'm saying, is, like what his teaching is. So it's free training, guys. How to earn 6 figures side income online. That's all. And when they click right here, for example, they just go to a registration page right there. And they was, things in that nature with Clickbank product. Okay. Okay, the first way I advertise with the Clickbank products for free is with a platform called Traffic Ad Bar. It's about the ladder, guys, and more you click and more points you get, you move the ladder. And right now I'm in 10th ladder position, and you get points, and you can refer people to. I am a platinum member, guys, so I do pay for it, but it is free. And that's how I advertise Clickbank products right here, guys. My hits I get, this moment, or last moment and today. So this is how I get my hits right here on Clickbank products, on most of them at least. It's the first time I'm looking at it today right here though. Okay, so this my main right here that I'm promoting. So we got 1,300 hits today. I got 36 hits, and I can show you that real quick. And you want to see your reporting right here. You can see how many hits you got and stuff like that, sales and stuff. So yeah, see, I'm getting hits on some of my ClickBank products. So that's cool right there. And I'm doing this for free first, guys. Got 3 sales right there. So that's cool right there. And the second part where I advertise is called Cash Juice, and it's free also. It's something like a Facebook page, but different because everybody on this platform are network marketers. You know, um, so it's like a Facebook thing. And how you do this one right here, guys? You go to the dashboard. As you see, you can earn commissions. You get followers just like Facebook. Um, let's see. And then what I use with this, I post ads, but I usually would test things with this platform first. So like for example, I did this right here, ad right here. And to buy credits, it's only like $5 for 5,000 credits, guys. So um, you can show your ad like that. And then once you buy your credits, you just create your ad right here, guys. Now, if you're a platinum member, I am, just like a 20-something dollar fee one time, and then you can advertise uh, to all the countries. But if you're a free member, you only can advertise to the United States. So, but if you're a platinum member like myself, for $20, I think 27, I believe, something like that, 20, 27, you can advertise to all the countries. So that's cool right there. Let me see what else. Yeah, so yeah, these are the 2 platforms, guys, that I use. Traffic ad, Cash Juice, and I use Traffic Ad Bar. You can see right here, and it's so easy, guys. You just gotta do some, spend like an hour a day or something on each one platform to just surf ads. If you want to just click here to earn points now, it'll come to this page right here, guys. Very simple. You just click on one, and it take like 10 seconds, and you get points like that. So like points today I earned is 16,000 points, and then the hits I got um, my links right here is 250. And what I do, guys, is what I do is I go to my marketing system. This is called my link rotator right here. So I just have different ones keep on hitting like that, and see which one doing the best like that. So let's go to advanced right here. This is my link rotator right here. Now this is my marketing system, guys. It's called the Conversion Pros. Um, very easy to use. That's why I use the Conversion Pros, because you can do everything. You can add autoresponder. You got you can build pages and contact manager. There's so many things. So you can read all this stuff right here what it got. So, but what I try to track is, let me show you what I got. These is This is active. This is active, and these 2 right here is active. And I track how many hits of each one is producing, guys. And then you can see that I have a lot of links right here, guys. I got them unactive right now because I'm testing the Clickbank products like that. Yeah, so, and this is free, guys. This is people, what they do is they build a system or something, a digital products, and teach you how to do something, and then they give you 50%, whatever. And Clickbank pay you by checks every 2 weeks. So that's cool right there, guys. I mean, I just started this not that long ago, so I just wanted to get my beat wet a little bit, and but I got 2 free platforms that you can get also, guys. Now I'll leave the links below this video, and but just sign up for a free ClickBank account. This right here. Use my 2 free platforms that I'm showing you. You don't gotta pay no money unless you want to upgrade later on, but use it for free first, and see if you can make a hit. Now, if you want the conversion pros, guys, how you can track everything, I'll leave that link below. It's my conversion pro marketing system, guys. It's very powerful, a lot of training, so you won't be lost. And then for this, in this video, I'm gonna show you a traffic source, guys, that's offline marketing if you don't want to really get in depth with the online marketing. Here we go. Which I call nationwide newspapers, guys. And you can be very creative with this, guys. For example, if you want to advertise to college people, if you want to, you got the revenue like that, and you want to hit this special deal called $180, but $180 advertising the popular 1 million newspapers. So you advertising to 1 million people, guys. If you're making $50, $30 per person, and went to 1 million people, even if you get what's 10%, 100,000, what's 1%, 10,000 people. So if you're making $20 hypothetically, and it's residual, and 10,000 people sign up and want that, so so what? Well, it's like $200,000 a year. So I use this very, 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 very good right here. And I just started up with Clickbank with this, but I made a lot of money in my other programs I used to do, guys. With this, I forgot dude name. I think he died though, but that dude that said just put simple tiny ads in classified newspapers, and he became a millionaire, guys. So you want this in your arsenal, in your strategy plan also, guys. So this is the bonus that I'm showing you guys what I use. This the paid, this the free, trap ad bar, and it's the free, guys. It's called Cat Juice. So, if you want all this, guys, I'll leave all the information below. I'll leave traffic ad bar. I'll leave Cat Juice. I'll leave the conversion pros. Also, I'll leave a link with nationwide advertising. Also, guys, and ClickBank. You just sign up for ClickBank for free. And I will see you on the other side, guys. Take care, and I'll talk to you another day.